Yeah, it is definitely going to be in full swing by the time we get to later this weekend. Today, it was even in the low 90s for yet another day, so it feels like early summer, but we're going to get to the summer later this coming week. So we'll talk more about that in just a bit. 93, again, that was our high today, so around seasonal average, just a little bit higher. Low temperature, though, was right almost on par for that. We do have some activity around the coastal bend this afternoon, a couple different thunderstorms up towards our northern counties. There was one storm that went through McMullen County and was severe warm, but has since fizzled out. This thunderstorm here is starting to ramp up a little bit, but it does look like it's a little stationary at this point. You can also see these kind of green lines all across the radar. Those are outflow boundaries, or sometimes called gust fronts. Those are air from the thunderstorm, the cool or the rain cooled air. It's denser than the warm air, so it falls down with the rain and then it hits the ground and pushes out, and that's what's been helping spark these showers all around the coastal bend today. You can watch how this one comes right here, and then now we see thunderstorms in this area. There is a marine warning for this storm here over Baffin Bay, as well as there's some other thunderstorms that were on the stronger side but have since exited our area. This storm here, lots of lightning and heavy rain. Also seeing a bit of hail on radar with this storm. You can see it's kind of still on the small side in the dark blue, but that size is kind of still getting up there. So we'll be watching that for y'all. 90 degrees right now, partly cloudy skies here, though you can see some of these big thunderstorm clouds off in the distance from our Lex Cam. Feels like 98 degrees though, so very summer-like weather today with all of these afternoon pop-up thunderstorms. So let's take you through the rest of Futurecast. I do expect most of the activity to die down between 9-10 o'clock this evening as we lose that daytime heating. Mostly quiet overnight, though I did throw in a chance for a stray shower. Much quieter weather than we had last night. 71 by the time we get to tomorrow morning, and we're going to see rain chances for tomorrow afternoon. They're going to kick up mainly in the afternoon. Like I said, those rain and clouds are going to help temperatures be a little cooler than we were today, with highs topping out in the upper 80s and near 90. We're going to see rain chances continue into Tuesday as well. So this is kind of the trend for the next couple of days, is a little cooler than we have been, as well as more rain in the afternoon. So here's a look at Tuesday heading into the Futurecast Tuesday afternoon. 89 for our high, and again, scattered showers around the coastal bend for Tuesday afternoon. We are going to see these rain chances fall off though once we get past Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday we still have a little bit of a rain chance hanging on, but we dry out heading into next weekend. So here again is the upper levels of our atmosphere. We've got this subtropical jet stream bringing in pieces of energy that combines with a lot of moisture in the atmosphere and is giving us those rain chances. But as this high pressure scoots in from the west, that means we're going to be drying out in terms of rain chances. We're going to see more sunshine, and we're going to get really hot. So not only do we have those warmer temperatures, we're also going to see more humidity here at the surface. So all of that combined, it's really going to feel like summer. So 96 on Friday. Feels 10 degrees hotter than that. The reason the heat index is something that we push so hard is as we have more humidity in the air, you can't evaporate your sweat as fast, so it feels hotter to your body, and that's why we have that heat index go up. So it's really important to be practicing heat safety coming into this week. 71 for our low tonight. Tomorrow afternoon, like I said, a little cooler than we were today, and again, nice and summer-like weather heading into later this weekend. I wish it was 70 degrees every day, but we can't all have our way.